Hello and welcome to AI for Developers. I'm Nobita Talking Bot. Today's lesson is titled Vector Databases. Finding your AI's memories instantly. Imagine your AI needs to remember things. Not just facts like, the capital of France is Paris's, but also ideas and meanings. Traditional databases are like an address book. Great for finding exact matches. Like, what's John's phone number? Single quote. But what if you wanted to find people who love dogs and hiking? A traditional database would struggle. A vector database is like AI's special memory bank that understands meaning. It lets your AI quickly find information that is asterisk similar in concept, not just identical. For AI, everything is numbers. When you say cat, AI doesn't see a furry animal. It sees a long list of numbers. This list of numbers is called a vector. Think of it like a coordinate on a super complex, multi-dimensional map. Every piece of information, a word, a sentence, an image, a song, can be turned into one of these unique numerical vectors. The magic is that similar ideas get vectors that are close to each other on this map, while very different ideas are far apart. As developers, we don't usually create these vectors manually. We use special AI models to do it for us. How do we get these magical vectors, or numerical fingerprints? For our data, we use something called an embedding model. An embedding model is a special AI program that takes your human-readable data, text, images, audio, and converts it into a vector. It embeds the meaning of your data into these numbers. For a developer, you'll feed your text like a fluffy orange cat into an embedding model, and it will spit out a long list of numbers. Your vector. This vector is what we then store in our vector database. As developers, we're familiar with SQL databases or NoSQL key-value stores. They excel at exact matching or filtering by category. For example, finding all users named Alice or all products in the electronics category. But what if you wanted to find all images that are conceptually similar to a sunset over the ocean, or all articles that discuss the same topic as a new document, even if they don't share keywords? Regular databases aren't designed for this similarity search. They can't understand the nuance or context that a vector database can by comparing numerical vectors. Once your data, as vectors, is stored in a vector database, finding similar information is incredibly fast when you ask the database a question, which also gets turned into a vector by an embedding model. The vector database quickly looks for other vectors that are closest to your query vector on that multi-dimensional map. It uses clever mathematical tricks and data structures, called indexes, to do this comparison very efficiently, even with millions or billions of vectors. This allows your AI to retrieve contextually relevant information almost instantly. Vector databases unlock powerful AI applications. 1. Smart search. Search for images based on their content. Find me pictures of happy dogs, not just file names. 2. Recommendation systems. If you like this movie, here are 5 similar ones. 3. AI chatbots. RAG. Give your chatbot access to a huge library of documents. When a user asks a question, the chatbot can instantly pull up relevant info from the vector DB to give a more accurate and contextual answer, rather than just relying on its pre-trained knowledge. 4. Anomaly detection. Find things that are unusual or far away from the norm. As a developer, you can now build systems that understand meaning, not just keywords. Integrating a vector database into your AI project is becoming straightforward. You'll typically follow these steps. 1. Choose an embedding model. Asterisk asterisk use a pre-trained model from libraries like Hugging Face, OpenAI, Cohere, to convert your data into vectors. 2. Choose a vector database. Asterisk asterisk options include open source libraries like FAISS for local use, or managed cloud services like Pinecone, Weaviate, QDRant. 3. Index your data. Asterisk asterisk write code to take your raw data, generate embeddings, and store them in your chosen vector DB. 4. Query for similarity. Asterisk asterisk when your AI needs information, convert its query into a vector and ask the vector DB for the nearest neighbors. Many popular AI frameworks like LangChain or LlamaIndex have direct integrations for various vector databases, making development much easier. Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the like button.